The next gorgeous model that we have our formula for is Maureen. Now Maureen was very similar to our first model Jackie in the terms of she had the same natural level 2 base. Her hair was much longer, and we actually did a lot more foil work to create a more high contrast blonde. So it was really fun because I got to show the same level base with different patterns of foilage, which is balayage inside a foil. One being a little bit more subtle, a little bit more dimensional, and one being a little bit more high impact. The formula was actually the same at the root and the mid-length, but because we were able to lift her to a true level 10 at the ends, we got to use just the level 10 and really showcase that pastelized, cool violet tone for those gorgeous on-trend minky blondes. That was the 10-1-9, which is the 10 ash violet. At the ends, 1-to-1 with 20 volume and tone softener. So we created, again, a fade from dark to light in both the highlighted and the natural base. The highlight faded from levels 5 and 6 into a 7, all the way to a true 10. But we were also able to achieve a fade from dark to light in the natural base, shifting her up to maybe a 4-5 into a 6 through the ends. Now this creates a much more expensive looking blend, and I hope you really love the results. If you learned something today and you enjoyed this educational content, don't forget to like and subscribe.